2, 3, go.
That's good.
Brett Warman. Guys, this is a new product. It's coming up. It's a better breathing sports. And this is what it does is that, you got a metal ball in it. You have to blow your lung air into this and exhale it. It's really help your capacity of the lungs. And it has got a lot more benefit. It's a 10 repetition once or twice per day if you do it. There's a lot of instruction that's been written there. Use 30 minutes before workout. Improve your training and workout. Improves your recovery. I've tried it. Brett Lee's product is coming in this market. He introduced it. I forgot your name. Shit, I fucked it.
Tim.
Tim. I said it, Tim.
Bring it up.
Again, Brett and Tim brought this product. It's made in Australia. Whatever comes from Australia, man, it has to be A plus because they're the most honest people and the most sporty nation. And the stuff that they've brought on, man, it's absolutely work. This metal ball actually makes your lung work really hard. If you try it once, you'll understand what it is. Right?
Yeah, well, actually, what it does do, it enhances your lung capacity first. And you can see at the end there, we were coughing because it's actually coughing up all that mucus. So when this vibrates, when this ball vibrates or oscillates, what it's doing, you can feel it in your lungs. And it's going down your bones and it gets rid of all that mucus, clears all that mucus. So a simple breath, you can hear it. Do it twice a day. It's got to improve your lung capacity and make you sleep better at night as well.
So I'm bringing this product with the help of Tim and Brett Lee to Pakistan. And Pakistani needs this because there's a lot of air pollution in Lahore and Karachi. This is really going to help you to breathe easily. And especially for the kids.
Okay.
ये मैं इसलिए ला रहा हूँ पाकिस्तान में ला रहा हूँ with Brett and Tim के साथ क्योंकि ये वहाँ पे बहुत पोल्यूशन है, लोगों को सांस की बहुत प्रॉब्लम है. तो आप ये यूज़ करेंगे तो आपकी कैपेसिटी ऑफ द आपकी ब्रीदिंग है ना वो बहुत अच्छी हो जाएगी. सो आई एम ब्रिंगिंग दिस प्रोडक्ट टू पाकिस्तान. आप यूज़ करें इसको. इट इज़ मेड इन ऑस्ट्रेलिया है और कम्स फ्रॉम ऑस्ट्रेलिया है और ब्रेट ला रहा है और इट्स ऑलरेडी ये 107 कंट्रीज़ में 107 कंट्रीज़ में ये जा रही है प्रोडक्ट. आप यूज़ करेंगे you'll understand what I'm saying. But this is no chemical, nothing, zero chemical. It's all clean. ठीक है. अगर आप यूज़ करेंगे इंशाल्लाह. I'm bringing this product to Pakistan. Please guys try it. And it's one of the best people. This product is coming from one of the best people that I know all my life. And it's A plus product. Use it, enjoy it, and get healthier.